Hi there! Today we are going to make a freehand design. I'm very excited for this design as we are going to use a lot of curves for this one. So let's see the steps and start doing this. At first, let's make a C but the other way round. And then let's make another one. After that, let's make a big C which is starting from here. And then a smaller C. After that, we will start making these beautiful petal-like structure right here. And then make these curves properly. Once we are done with that, let's start this line from here and then make these curves. Now it's time for us to make these ovals and these curves. Now let's make the smaller ovals. Once we are done with that, let's make the design on top and finally start sketching this. You can move your book around however you wish to and make sure that your hand and elbow is exactly on top of the table. That's a very comfortable position to be in and it is going to help you sketch slowly and nicely. Complete the entire sketching in a similar way. This looks very interesting. Once we are done with that, we will erase all the pencil marks we see. This is going to make our drawing look neat and clean. The next thing we do is start coloring this portion with a light green color. At first, we will release the pressure and color very lightly. And then we will do yellow right on top of it. And look, we got the shade we exactly wanted. Repeat the steps and continue doing it in the same way. Very lightly with the light green and yellow by putting pressure on the color. Look how well both the colors are blending. This is because we are using oil pastel colors. The next thing we do is take another shade of green which is closest to the one mentioned in the book and start coloring this part. Always remember, we will do the outline for the entire shape and the shapes inside it. And after that, color inside in one direction. Don't forget to outline the oval which is in this design. This looks great. Complete the entire thing in a similar way. Once we are done with this, we will take the next color, which is Persian blue color. Well, a Persian blue color is a very dark color and hence we will be very careful while doing this. Again, be very careful while doing the eye and then start doing the outline. This looks amazing. After that, we will take light blue color and do the front part. This looks like shading, isn't it? Go very slow while making this. Do not keep any white spaces and move to the next color, which is ochre color. But before that, we can also do a little bit of brown first and then do ochre on it. So it is going to give us a very interesting shade. Look at that! This looks brilliant. Let's take a light ochre color and do the bottom part. This looks lovely. Let's take Persian blue once again and do the top part. Use the edge of the crayon as these shapes are very small. After that, we will start coloring these ovals. Yes, with the same color. This looks brilliant.